What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. So I just recently did a harvest of my 1 pound red wiggler bin. So now I have to reset it. So I'm going to bring you along, show you how I'm going to reset the bin. So while I was harvesting, I was finding seeds. I was just throwing them back in because they're just going to keep breaking down. I ended up finding a banana stem. So that's going to once again keep breaking down. I do still have a little bit of castings in the corner. So first thing that I'm going to use, I have some peat moss. And don't go ahead and breathe the peat moss in, the dust. And then I'm going to add water to it. We'll give that a little time to start soaking in. Yay! I'm definitely going to need to shred more paper and cardboard, but this will get me going enough to get this bin reset. And I have coffee. I'm actually going to use the water to rinse out. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of azomite. This is going to be used as a grit for the worms and also help add minerals. And then I'm also going to add my ground up eggshells. For grit and to help with the pH. Because starting with peat moss, it's going to be a little bit more acidic. Well, typically I like to use brown bags and cardboard, but I do have a bin shredded with paper, so I'm just going to add some of this in and then add a little bit more water to the mix. And I might as well try to get the last little bit of the coffee grounds. And I'll give it one more mixing. Okay, and then I have one last final thing. A little handful of castings to start helping to inoculate this bedding, start getting the good bacteria going. So then when I put those worms back in here, everybody can explode and have a great time. I'll go ahead, I will just throw this filter in, so then I'll have a marker for when I start feeding. And I already have some paper, so I'll just cover that up with the paper too. I'm going to let this sit for 2-3 days, and then I'm going to get those red wigglers back in here so they can start eating and making me some more castings. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.